Welcome back to Ratios Lesson 1. This is part 2 out of a 4-part lesson. So we're going to continue to discuss ratios, and as stated, ratios compare quantities. So here we have some dots, 4 pictures of dots, different colors, red, green, and blue. Your job is going to be to tell me the part-to-part ratios and the whole-to-part, or part-to-whole ratio, sorry. So what I would like you to do is you're going to pause the video when I say so. And in a notebook or just a piece of paper, whatever you have, you're going to write a part-to-part ratio and a part-to-whole ratio for each picture. And then press play and see if your ratios match mine. Okay, go ahead and pause the video. Okay, so here we have all of the ratios for each of the pictures. In the first picture here, you could have said 3 to 1, which would be 3 red dots to 1 blue dot, or you could also say 1 blue dot to 3 red dots. It would be a 1-3 ratio. Part to whole, we would have 3 to 4 or 1 to 4, because there's 4 dots in all. So 3 of them are red, 3 to 4. 1 of them is blue, 1 to 4. In the second picture here, we have 1 to 4 for part to part. So 1 green dot to 4 blue dots, or 4 to 1, 4 blue dots to the 1 green. And then there's 5 dots all together for the whole. So we have 1 green dot to 5 in all, so 1 to 5. Or we have 4 blue dots to 5 dots all together, 4 to 5. Over here, we have 5 dots again all together. In the first part, for part to whole, we have 2 green dots to 3 red dots, so a 2 to 3 ratio. Or you could flip that and say 3 red dots to 2 green dots. We could also, for the part to whole, 5 dots again all together, so 2 green dots to 5 dots all together, or 3 red dots to 5 dots all together again. And then the last picture here, if you notice, there's 3 colors. Now, I only did 1 for the part to part, which you only had to do 1 as well, but I'm going to tell you the other ways you also could have done it. So I did it 1 to 2 to 1, so 1 red dot to 2 blue dots to 1 green dot. You also could have said 2 to 1 to 1, so 2 blue dots to 1 red dot to 1 green dot. You also, again, could have said 1 to 2 to 1, but said 1 green to 2 blue to 1 red. You could do 1 to 1 to 2. It's like a tongue twister. So you could say 1 to 1 red to 1 green to 2 blue. There's many ways that you could have set this one. Now for the part to whole, there's 4 dots all together. So I said 1 red dot out of 4 dots in all, or 2 to 4, which would be 2 blue dots out of 4 dots in all. Or again, 1 to 4, which would be 1 green dot out of 4 dots in all. Now, as an extension to this, I'm going to be posting on Google Classroom for you. It will be an assignment where I want you to come up, I'm going to give you ratios, and I want you to come up with scenarios. Have a little fun with it. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.